Today we will be testing a 15-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 172 different strategies with 56 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. Since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 62 of the strategies that we have tested, every single one we've put it against. We've also tested a total of 997 indicators with 421 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says the hidden TradingView indicator, no one shares this. And so we're going to, of course, put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. Go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the custom session high-low indicator, this one right here. Click that, add it to the screen, and we'll keep that on the default, and you can see that it adds these two lines right here. So basically, at the beginning of a specific session, it gives you the high and the low during a specific period of time. And so it kind of outlines the range or the opening range of the market. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the fish sniper indicator, this one right here, the trend indicator, and it will look like this right here, similar to anyways. What we'll do is go ahead and jump into the settings on this one. And so on the length, you're going to change that to 40. And under the style, you're going to turn off everything in here except for the 2-bar color right here and the 0 right here and the plots background right there. Like I said, everything else you'll turn off. You can go in and you can bump up the line weight of the 0 right here if you would like. And since I'm on a light background, I did have to change this to a darker color, the plots background right here, to a darker color. Click OK and it should look very similar to how I have it on screen now. And so what we're looking for is when the price action breaks the range here, either to the upside or the downside. When it breaks to the upside, for example right here, then we are looking for the fish sniper to be above the dashed line. And when those two line up right there, it's going to be our signal to go long. We're going to put our stop at the lower band of the range, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get out of it. You see price comes up and hits our take profit nicely. Alright, and for a short trade, what we're looking for again is the breakout of this range. So we actually get a breakout right here, but you can see that if we look at the fish sniper indicator down here at the bottom, it is below that dashed line. So that would invalidate that entry there. And then what we did was we just looked for it to break in the opposite direction. And so sometimes it will break a direction first and things won't line up, but then it breaks the direction this time in the opposite direction. And you can see here that as it makes this break and close below this line right here, then the fish sniper is actually in or below that lower dashed line, or that middle dashed line right there. That's going to be our entry into a short right there. We're going to set our stop again right at the line, the upper line of the range there, and then we are going to target that 1 to 1.5 just like before, right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get out of it. And you can see once again, price comes down, hits our take profit nicely again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades, putting it at a 44% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if we were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, our total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, we'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Our drawdown would have been $11,200 for a total gain altogether of $2,000 once everything's said and done. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 46 trades during the same period of time. We had 41 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 88% win rate. So if you're looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $3,900 for a total gain of $20,700. And so significantly better results and profits from the Academy of Forex indicator. Now, if that seems like an outlandish number, then you can divide that even down by an eighth of the risk from this strategy here using the Academy of Forex indicator, and you still would have gained $2,587. So even more than this strategy, and risking only an eighth of the account on that one. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And so it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin, and this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we go over the signals that you would have taken on these particular Forex pairs and crypto coin. So on the Forex pairs, we would have had 5 trades for the week. We'd had 3 winning trades and 2 losing trades, a 60% win rate, gain of $240. On the crypto coin, we would have had 3 trades, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade, a 66% win rate, a gain of $420. So altogether for the week, we would have been at $660. Add that to our weekly total, and now we're at 9 weeks with a gain of $18,040. So when I say that you can make tens of thousands of dollars in just a couple of months, you can see how that's completely feasible with just a few Forex pairs and a crypto coin if you want to trade that, and a few handfuls of trades each week. And so, all right, that's it for this strategy here. Not too bad of a strategy. I think this was over about a 2-month period of time, if I remember right. You would have gained around $2,000. And so not horrible, not the best, but also not bad. And so it's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.